Hey everyone, welcome. Today I'm unboxing a really cool product, the iClever BK60 Solar Bluetooth Keyboard. Let's open the box and see what is inside. We've got the keyboard right here. Wow, it's super slim and lightweight. Very good. And yes, this part on top actually is a solar panel. Look. So cool, right? Let's take a closer look. The keys have this round retro style, really smooth to the touch. It also has a full number pad, which is great for work or editing. Amazing, no? And check this out, it can connect to 3 devices at once, and you just press one, 2 or 3 and press the buttons to switch the option 1, 2 or 3. Amazing, no? Now here's my favorite part. This keyboard charges with sunlight. No batteries or USB charging needed if you keep it near a window. This part charges for you. But don't worry, it also works with a battery. Here in this part you can use with battery if you need, so very practical, no? I connected it to my iPad and work it instantly. You just turn it on and hold the Bluetooth button. Typing feels super nice. The keys are quiet and the response is super fast. Typing feels super nice. The keys are quiet and the response is fast. This would be great for working from home or if you switch between devices like a phone, tablets and computer. So far, I'm really impressed with the iClever BK60. It's light, portable, and I love the solar charging feature. This part impressed me a lot. Very good. If you're looking for a Bluetooth keyboard that's stylish, eco-friendly, and super practical, this might be the one for you. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.